Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we are going to see Sri Lankan pole roti. For this, take a cup of rice flour. To this, add half a cup of scraped coconut. Before adding the other ingredients, let us crumble this. To this, add 1 or 2 chopped green chillies, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, the required amount of salt. Give a nice mix. Now add water little by little and start kneading this. You have to make a soft dough out of this. The dough is ready. It has to be soft like this. Take a small ball out of it. Take a butter paper or a plastic sheet and spread some oil. Press the ball and flatten it. Now let us shape it. This is ready. Now spread some oil on a tawa. Now let us place the roti and cook it evenly. Flip all the sides and cook properly. This is ready. We can take it out now. You can serve this with sambar and chutney. So our Sri Lankan pole roti is ready. Hope you liked the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.